morning, bakers. Were you doing your exercises today with your Superman? Joe Wicks this morning is getting us everyone up and at it, jumping, do our exercise lunches. Lads, we have to do something delicious today because it's Friday and you have that Friday feeling. So, what are we doing today, I wonder? We are doing Gorgonzola potato phyllo pie. Puff pastry pie. Not phyllo, puff pastry. Puff pastry gorgonzola. Gorgonzola with potatoes. It's rather delicious. Very nice with a very cold glass of you know what. So, let's get started. Ingredients. Now, the beauty about this, you can decide whatever you got in your fridge and you can concoct this delicious breakfast, lunch, dinner snack. So, starting with, we need some seasoning. So, black pepper, some salt, we have some rosemary, I have 1 egg yolk, I have got mascarpone, about 60 grams of mascarpone, 3 tablespoons of cream, about half a red onion, 1 onion. We have got Gorgonzola cheese picante. Gorgonzola would be like Stilton. It's a lovely strong cheese. Do not knock it until you try it. It is divine. We have got about roughly 3 potatoes. Now, with the potatoes, can you see how finely I have sliced them? So I do need them finely sliced. So we have a little bit of milk because we're going to do a bit of an egg wash. So I'm going to move it to the side, and the master, everybody loves puff pastry. Today we're going to do something so easy. So a finger in, I am literally scoring my puff pastry around the edge. I have preheated my oven to 220 degrees. 200 is fine also. I just cranked up my oven to make it nice and hot. Now I am not cutting right through the puff pastry. I am scoring a line. It's about a finger, maybe 2 fingers. 2 fingers, I know that I would have a 2-finger shot of something on a Friday. Is it wrong that your kids know how to make a gin and tonic? I suppose it is wrong, really, isn't it? Bad parenting. So, scoring, making sure. So, I have scored the outside perimeter, or literally within the inside perimeter, rather, of my puff pastry sheet. Now, I have got my cream, I have got my mascarpone, and my gorgonzola. Now, as I mentioned, with this, you do not need to go for strong, almost, it's not too strong, it's like really strong. It's cheddary, cheesy, but it has a picante, woo, bite to it. You love it. So with that, I am pouring the cream in on top of my mascarpone. Now, this is so bland, as in this together combined. Mascarpone and your cream. Later, we will do maybe tiramisu. So all I want to do is combine my mascarpone and my cream, followed by, in goes, not all of it, but in goes most of my gorgonzola, and I'm just slopping it everywhere, just to make sure that I want a sort of a spreadable gunge. So it is almost like a pâté. And sure, listen, you're supposed to get messy in the kitchen. And a little birdie told me Jack Punch is 11 today. 11? Happy birthday, Jack Punch. Now, for those who don't love gorgonzola or have never tried it, try it. Go rogue, go mad. Try something different. So all I'm doing is I'm putting my cheesy, creamy mascarpone mix on top of my pastry. Bring it over a bit. Nah, this is new. I mean, this is even alone with crackers, just on its own is divine. So in it goes. And with our palette knife, we're just going to smear, keeping within the boundary of where we have marked. So you have this lumpy cheese spread. I know it doesn't look the best. Please stay with me. Have faith. Have faith. So spread, 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 spread. Now it's about 120, but I'll be honest, I put in 150. of the Gorgonzola. I know practically 120, but I'm thinking not a few squares. Gorgonzola is just so yummy. As I mentioned, if you have your Stilton, Roquefort, any strong cheese, scrumdiddlyumptious. If you don't like Roquefort or any of the strong cheeses, don't put it in. So you can just use any other cheese. If you want to make this kid friendly, omit the Roquefort. You could have your lovely cheddar cheese. And again, so we have got puff pastry. I'm going to finish off with lumps of my Gorgonzola because it's already smushed through, but I do want to have a little pocket, a little bite. And I have washed my hands. I have washed my hands. Always, always wash my hands. Oh, constantly washing hands. Constantly washing hands. Yeah, beautiful. Next thing we're going to put, now you don't have to put all the onion on, I'm putting a little bit of the onion. I love onion. I would nearly have onion on ice cream, nearly, not quite. But it's also Pizza Friday, which I love. So we're having pizza later, but we're having this for lunch. And this is the thing too, some people are saying to me, oh my God, Tricia, you're sick of this already. Are you just, I'm not. I mean, if I was locked in my kitchen for the next 12 years, I'd be quite happy. It's the washing up. It's the knickers on the wash line. You can hear me. It is the ironing. It's the hoovering. It's the, have you seen my pair of jeans? I can't find them. I only once wore those pair of jeans and I would wear them for 4 weeks, whereas my kids would wear them for 24 hours. Anyway, they're rant over. So we've got our cheese. We have got our sprinkling of onion. The next thing we have is we've got our little potatoes. Now again, as you can see, I have sliced these potatoes really finely. If you're going to do this with thicker potatoes, the potatoes won't cook. You'll have your cheesy gunge underneath, and the problem then is that the potato will have this raw bite where your cheese will be hidden underneath and won't cook. And this is where you need the very hot oven. Now, as you can see, I do not need all these potatoes. I slice, because I'm doing 2 of these babies. So, another one in here, chuck it in there. Okay, fantastic. So we've got our potatoes out of the way, we've got onions out of the way. Tiny bit of sea salt, tiny bit, because you've already got a little bit on the Gorgonzola. And your pepper. Now, one of the things I forgot to mention, there's always a song in my head. Anyway, sorry, forgot to mention, when I'm slicing the onions, oh my God, oh my God, do I need an espresso this morning? When I'm slicing the potatoes, not the onions, when I'm slicing the potatoes, I get 2 tablespoons of oil and I sort of give them a toss with the oil because that does help with the sort of the cooking of the potatoes. So sorry for that, I forgot to mention. 2 tablespoons of oil, sort of toss, olive oil by the way, toss. Now I need a tiny bit of milk, just with my egg. Now another thing as well, because I'm doing a second one and because I'm thick. When you have your base and you have scored the outer rim, note to self, quadruple coffee on a Friday morning for Trish. You get a fork and you fork the base. For fork's sake, I forgot to fork the base of the puff pastry, okay? So you score the outer edge with this delicious pie. You score, dunk, 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 dunk. You stab it with your fork. Airhead, Trish. Anyway, I'm doing a second one, so it doesn't really matter. And I am brushing. I've also greased the tray with egg yolk, only on the outside perimeter, because that's where I want it to just go all good and yummy. Dum, 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 dum. I'll put it in the instructions and the step-by-step, because I'm an airhead. So I forgot to break the fork at the bottom of the pastry. Woo! It's Friday! You gotta go crazy on a Friday, so I just got a little crazy because I forgot a lot of things. So, we've got our puff pastry base. We use our knife. we score the outer edge, about maybe 2 fingers, could possibly be 1 finger thickness. After that, you get your fork and you go bang, 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 only within that perimeter of the rectangle. You then get your gorgonzola and your mascarpone and you stir it all together with your cream, smear it all over the pastry, followed by your onions, layering of potatoes, of black pepper. Boom! You've got something for your lunch. So lads, I'm going to put this into the oven. I will take photographs of everything, shove it in. Second one I'm going to go in, I will not forget to prick the fork with the pastry. I shall see you maybe later tonight at 7 with a lovely cold glass of Chardonnay and we can take photos of what we've baked. But as in from now, 10 AM tomorrow, we will see you again soon. Bye!